Hi, third graders. This is how you use the website Padlet. It's almost like I'm putting sticky notes on a wall. So we're going to be writing about our memories. What are your favorite memories of third grade? What made you smile? What made you laugh? What were the best parts? So now I already did one. So you can see I put a selfie, I put my name at the top, and I put my message here. And if I want to like somebody's post, I can heart it. You see I have one like, and I can even add a comment. I liked that too, whatever you want to write, and enter. Okay, I'm not going to do it right now, but just so you can see. When you go to add your own post, you use this plus sign down here at the corner. Do you see that? I click on it, and it pops up with my own little sticky note. In the title, I'll put my name. So let's say I'm doing it again. I'll put my name, and I'll write my message here. My favorite memory was when blah, 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 blah. Okay? Then you can either upload a photo or we can take a photo. So I'll click on that, and it's going to start the camera. Oh, hi, there I am. And I'll take my selfie. I click on this. Gives me 3 seconds. If I like it, I can keep it and click save. If I want to do it again, I click this. If I want to change it to gray or sepia, I can do that. Okay, so if I hit save, it goes here. And when I click off, it saves my post. So obviously I hadn't finished my message, but you see my post saves there. All right, that's it.